It was very rude. I didn't get a chance to have any of that.
Have it.
What?
Have it.
I'm trying to provide no one drinks, honey.
No, help yourself.
You know what I'm doing that.
No, I'm trying to. The reason I'm doing that is numb my pain. To numb my back.
Yeah, you know you knocked me out yesterday. It was very rude. I'll introduce you now.
Well, you're out today, I will.
You have to.
Well,
Someone needs to. They're sitting here the whole time. Not you. That wasn't my fault.
it's not at all.
No.
I'm bringing to Walgreens in a little while. How's that sound?
For what?
Beer and stuff. That's what I want to do.
I wasn't that.